PlayPosit Monitor page allows instructors to access learners' data, grade learners' interactions manually, and view detailed analytics on learners' overall performance and engagement. These abilities make the Monitor page an excellent tool for instructors to keep track of their learners and gain valuable insight into their learning outcomes. There are three ways to access the Monitor page: from the Learning Management System, from My Bobs page, and from the Classes page. To access the Monitor page from the Learning Management System, go to the assignment in the LMS that is using PlayPosit and click on the Monitor button. It will open the Monitor page in a new tab. To access the Monitor page from My Bobs page, navigate to My Bobs page by clicking on the tab on the sidebar menu. On the page, find the desired Bob, click on the thumbnail image or the triple dot icon, and select Monitor. On the pop-up window, select the class you want to examine by clicking on the monitor behind it. It will then bring you to the Monitor page. Also, instructors can access the Monitor page by going to the Classes page with the sidebar menu. After entering the Classes page, click on the desired class and select the Bob you would like to monitor by clicking on the thumbnail image or the triple dot icons and select Monitor. It will bring you to the Monitor page. The Monitor page provides numerous information about the Bob, including learner's name, scores, completion status, and learner's response to each interaction. Responses will be highlighted in 4 different colors. Green indicates the correct response. Red represents the incorrect response. Yellow shows the responses that need to be graded manually. And gray means the responses with no grading option. Instructors can click on the Bob's Analytics button on the top to open a window that visualizes the data generated from learners' responses. It is a great tool for instructors to gain a bird's-eye view of the Bob and how the learners perform. Instructors can also filter the data with completion status, search with the learner's name, or download the data into a CSV file by clicking on the Data Export icon. Also, by clicking on the learner's name and then selecting Export Learner's Attempt, instructors can examine the individual learner's report. You can use the Print button to save or print the report. The Monitor page allows instructors to examine specific responses from learners by clicking on the response you want to examine. It will show the question and response, the time duration the learner spent on these interactions, and the grade the learner received from this interaction. Instructors can also adjust the score here. The other useful features of the Monitor page is it allows instructors to assign and adjust grades for learners. Instructors can grade a single interaction for a single learner by clicking on the desired interaction and providing grades on the pop-up windows. If there are multiple learners who need to be graded, instructor can also click on the interaction icon on the top and select Grade All. This will allow instructor to assign grades to this interaction for all learners. After assigning grades, click on Save Grade to save the progress, and click on the class name to go back to the Monitor page. The Monitor page also allows instructors to grade all interactions for a single learner. Click on the learner's name and select View Learner's Attempt. Assign the grades for all interactions this learner has completed in this Bob. Then click on Save Grade to save the progress, and click on the Back button on the browser to go back to the Monitor page. Please note that if the Bob is linked to a learning management system, instructor must click on the Sync Grades button on the top left of the Monitor page to ensure the grades are updated to the LMS.